What's going on, car family? I'm Ben Wayne. Thank you for joining me in another video. Today, we're going to be doing a product review and we're also going to be doing a giveaway. The giveaway is just my way of saying thank you. The channel has now hit 20,000 subscribers and I'm incredibly excited about that. And I'm also looking forward to creating many more videos for you guys. So without further delay, let's go ahead and hop into it. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Conbrov T17 Dashcam. And Conbrov claims that this is the world's smallest dash cam. So they've reached out to me and given me a unit to review, and we'll also be doing a giveaway. I'll be selecting a subscriber from the comment section. All you have to do to enter is just comment on this video and I'll select one of you and we'll have Conbrov mail you out a unit. So without further delay, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. All right, so let's see what's in the box. All right, first thing you see looks like the unit itself. Let's take off this wrapping. Goodness gracious, this thing is really small. That is extremely small. Very nice. So it's not big and bulky. It won't be in your way while you're driving. I like that. Let's put that off to the side and see what else is in the box. All right, looks like we have the 12-volt adapter to place in your car, and looks like the cord has a lot of length to it, so you can install it and have an extremely neat install in your car. And then looks like we have a USB to micro USB cable. And of course, this is the mount that you would put on your windshield, suction cup. Looks like a small pin here for your reset button on the dash cam. And a micro SD adapter. Now, I do want to make mention that you will need your own micro SD. When you get this does not come with one. Okay, so I've charged this up for a little bit and just wanted to walk you through the menu options of the camera before we get it set up in the car. So as you can see, we have 4 buttons: your menu button, OK button, your mode button, and a power button as well. And then you have 2 buttons on the side to scroll up and down through the menu. On the top here, you have your micro USB connection, and then on the side, you have a slot for your micro SD card. This is extremely small. This is an extremely small camera. All right, so let's go ahead through the menu. So you have settings for your resolution. You can scroll down to that, hit OK. You have 3 options there. Go back to the menu. You can go down to loop recording, hit OK. And then you have options for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or you can just switch it off. You have settings for your audio on and off, exposure, date stamp, and then of course a G sensor. So this is really simple and easy to use. I really love the setup of this. It just seems really intuitive. So it's not a whole bunch of guessing as to what buttons do what. All right, so let's go ahead and get this set up in the car. I'm probably just going to use the battery instead of the adapter since I have this charged up. I'll throw in a micro SD card and then we'll get it rolling and see what kind of footage we get. Okay, as you can see, I have the dash cam set up. The image is pretty clear. Did you see that Jeep just hop in front without using a turning signal or anything? That is exactly why dash cams are very useful, so you can document crazy stuff you see on the street like that. So now this is a demonstration of what it looks like at night. As you can see, there are a lot of different lights, but it's still very clear. And when it gets a little bit darker, when there's no lights at all, the dash cam will switch to black and white, making the image extremely clear and easy to see as well. It also captures sound pretty well, so that's just an additional feature, but I think the overall performance of this dash cam is pretty good considering the price point. That was a brief review of this Conbrov T17 Dashcam. This dashcam is truly as small as they say it is. We've taken it out the box, we set it up in the car, and we saw how it performed during the daytime and also low light conditions. And I just want to express the importance of dash cams. If you live in a busy city like I do, I live in the city of Atlanta, you see people do crazy stuff in the street all the time. Now, if you're unfortunately involved in an accident, you will have proof of exactly what happened by having a dash cam. It's extremely important. So that way you won't have to bicker with somebody else's insurance company or your insurance company or tell the story of exactly what happens, because it's all been captured on the cam. So let me know what you guys think about this camera in the comment section. And speaking of the comment section, remember, if you want to be entered into this giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber and also comment on this video. And I also want to make mention that Conbrov has this camera on sale on Amazon. It's available for $42.99, but they've also provided me with a special promo code to share with you guys for a special discount. I would like to thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you for supporting the channel. Really excited about hitting 20,000 subscribers. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next video.